started our first venture. From mere 5 looms, it went to 10 looms and then gradually to 20, 30, and in about few years' time, the loom strength went to about 200. Our products were internationally acceptable, the quality was very good. We used to have the best silk in hand, and the artisans I had chosen were very, very good.
Apart from the traditional business which we have been carrying on for the last 3 to 4 decades, now we have diversified in a very big way to other kinds of products as per the demands of the market, because the market is demanding nowadays new ranges. And apart from the traditional, we are now into hand-tufted, handloom and flat woven, value additions, cushion covers, bed covers, pillow covers. We are all have come into that production, and we are doing very good in those productions.
In 1991, we started participating in the fairs, and the first participation of our international fair was in Tokyo. We explored the possibilities of doing our own manufacturing rather than trading and buying things from different people, because trading always has a disadvantage of compromising with the quality and getting whatever you get from the manufacturer. By 1994, we had established ourselves in Panipat as well, and the company started getting bigger in both ways, in terms of turnover, in terms of our clientage base, and also in terms of the number of products we were dealing in. Designing is the most important factor nowadays. We have more than 15,000 designs developed in last couple of years in our company, and our emphasis basically has been on new designs, new development and new textures. All the carpets, all the yarn, all the dyeing which we are doing at present are AZO tested or AZO free tested. They are eco-friendly. We are not doing any hazardous materials which are being used in the carpets or in the flat woven rugs. We are fulfilling all the conditions of eco-friendly, and we have certifications from big companies in our production. Our company, Chinar International, as I see
our newer workforce and the younger workforce taking over, understanding what are the requirements of the customer, following what we have done over the years, also overlooking and also seeing that the business ethics have been strictly followed. And I'm sure with this thought process and with this thinking, our company definitely, with the workforce and the supporting staff we have, will definitely progress, and I think they will achieve greater heights than what we did.